Alright, this is take 2 of a video of some items I have for sale. I have 3 items. One is a Dayton 1/3 horsepower 3-phase motor. I have a variable speed drive board which is in an enclosure at this time. I don't know if you can see there, it has a LED standby button. It is energized at this time. And a hand actuator for the VFD. These 3 items are for sale. The interconnecting wiring will be included, but it's up to you to determine if the wiring is suitable for your needs and your particular application. First up, the motor. It is a Dayton 1/3 horsepower. It's model number 2N925. It's a 208 230 volt motor. Let's see, the frame size I think is a 56. Frame size is 56. It's a totally enclosed, fan-cooled enclosure. Service factor of 1, which this is mounted right now to a Mirror-o-matic. This is the power head. Plenty of power to drive a Mirror-o-matic. The VFD board will include an owner's manual. Let's see, the model number for this particular board. You'll get plenty of notes in here as well. Wiring for the, that is just some notes. This is the pin out for there is a quick connect. I did use the VFD board in a couple of applications, and I would just unplug it. It also drove a bandsaw. I've had another motor that I used, and it's still mounted to a bandsaw. Let's see, model number. Oop, there it is. There's the model number, the VFD02-D230AC. It is the 115 volt model. It's good up to a half horsepower. This is 1/3 horsepower. It's presently fused at 10 ampere. There is a panel fuse, and it has a 10 ampere fuse, which is appropriate for the 1/3 horsepower. The VFD is in an old Radio Shack. This was a power supply back in the day. It's metal. It's grounded and bonded, but again, it's up to the purchaser to verify the wiring methods and determine if it's suitable for your needs. When I bought the VFD board, it was a bare board only. And I bought on the speed selector, it is an OEM part. It is just simply a 10K potentiometer, so actually nothing fancy. The dial face, though, is as well as an OEM part. So you'll get a motor, VFD board, and basically a pot and some switches. I will ship it just as you see right now. But again, it's up to you to determine if the wiring method is suitable for your needs and application. So the motor, I'll include cut sheets for the motor. I don't know if it's still production. It's a 2N925. The motor also comes with if you want to wire it. If you have a different need for the motor, standard wiring though for any three-phase motor. And the manual for the VFD. All right. It has a counterclockwise, clockwise selector, a jog or engage. While in the jog position, you can use the a moment switch to bump it, if you will, to jog the motor. And I guess I need to set a speed, yes. It's just bumping, which this was pretty handy on the Mirror-o-matic if you wanted your eccentric in a particular starting spot or stopping spot. Of course, that was set at 60%, down to 10. Let's go down to 10 and give it a jog. The bump and engage had a selectable ramp up speed. I forget what this is set on, but it was selectable and it's covered in the manual for the VFD. Right now it's set to clockwise. We'll engage it. In the jog position. I think my pulleys have a squeak in them. That was just switching from clockwise to counterclockwise. Reading the owner's manual, that is suitable for the motor. It ramps down and ramps back up, so no problem there. In the owner's manual, it also covers wiring the VFD so you can drive a capacitor run motor. This is motors you'll find on air conditioning condenser coils, single phase. It goes, I don't know if this is bookmarked or not. Yep, single phase. You can reverse a single phase split capacitor motor. And some notes to some particular motors I had, but anyway. I had about 3 motors I had with the quick connect that I could quickly disengage and move the VFD around to wherever I needed. Off. The VFD board does have some large capacitors. You'll hear it. No, just heard them disengage. There was a click in the motor as you go from jog to engage. Discharges the capacitors. That could be a rude awakening for someone. Go ahead and disengage power. $10 A fuse, standard fuse holder. The cord, it will come with about 3 feet. This will be plain end. There will be no plug with this cable, but it's an SJ-EW A143 conductor. This is the SO cord. you know, fairly heavy duty SO type cord. It'll come with about 3 feet. The connector was just a Radio Shack special. It was rated for 600 volt. I haven't saw the amperage on it, but anyway, it's suitable for the size motor this VFD would drive. And I can't think of anything else. So if you're interested, just give me an email, shoot me an email, and I'll reply back. Thank you. The unit, all this will ship from North Alabama, and we can discuss shipping methods.